Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And from my family to yours, I would just like to say Merry, Merry Christmas. It's been a really crazy year for all of us, and actually the whole world, as a matter of fact. And hopefully we can all just sit down and relax on Christmas. Hopefully you're with some of your loved ones, but let's just take a moment to really realize what Christmas is all about. It's all about Jesus and being born and that brand new baby in the manger. And it's just such a glorious time for us, and spending time with family and not necessarily focusing on the gifts, but focusing on family and love and Jesus and just the real reason for the season. So I just want to say again, from my family to yours, Merry, Merry Christmas. And this is from, let's try to do all of them, Ken and Stephanie, Kirsten and Katie, Colin, my son-in-law, let's see, Liam, my firstborn grandson, and 16 minutes later, Miller, my second-born grandson, Lemon, Cookie, and I think I got everybody, right? Pretty much, I think so. Well, but thank you. Thank you all so much, and I hope you all have a wonderful Merry, Merry Christmas. Spend time with your family. Spend time just realizing, you know what, we do have a lot to be thankful for. It's been a crazy year, and here's looking at 2021, right? Thanks so much, and thank you for always watching and being so nice to us. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.